Imagine it's a summer afternoon and the kids are bored at home, glued to their screens. You want to spark their creativity and get them moving. Enter the Flying Orb Ball Toy, a high-tech, hand-controlled drone that lights up with colorful RGB LEDs, creating a magical experience for all ages. Simply toss it and watch as it zooms, spins, and even returns to you like a boomerang. Whether indoors or outdoors, this lightweight, durable toy stops automatically upon contact with furniture, keeping your home safe. It's USB rechargeable. Just 20 minutes of charging gives 8 to 10 minutes of continuous fun. Perfect for family gatherings, backyard play, or even a break from work stress. This hoverball offers endless entertainment for kids, teens, and adults alike. Whether it's a birthday or holiday, the Flying Orb Ball Toy is the ultimate gift to light up the moment. Literally. Amazon link is below. You can buy it now by clicking. Did you like the video? So like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful products.